Hello and thanks for joining us for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial news presented by Skyriss.
On Tuesday, Apple stock closed at $272.14, up 2.2%, as investors responded positively to stronger than expected iPhone demand and optimism around upcoming product launches. The Nikkei index climbed over 2.5% on Wednesday, marking a fresh all-time high, as it tracked a technology-driven rebound amid easing concerns over potential artificial intelligence disruptions. Brent crude oil futures rose to around $71 per barrel after two consecutive sessions of decline, as investors weighed supply risks ahead of a third round of nuclear talks between the US and Iran. The Canadian dollar weakened toward 1.37 per US dollar, hovering near monthly lows, as global markets balanced a swift pivot in US trade policy against a softening domestic inflation outlook. Bitcoin rose to around $65,000 this Wednesday, driven by improving macroeconomic sentiment, which supported investor confidence despite ongoing volatility in the crypto market. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 10 a.m., the Euro area to release the Consumer Price Index for January, following 100.6 in December. At 10 a.m., the Euro area will release figures for the annual inflation rate of January, following 2% in December. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 10 a.m., the Economic Sentiment Index in the Euro area is expected to decrease, after reaching 99.4 in January. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the initial jobless claims of February 21st, following 206,000 in the week ended February 13th.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.